Let us see how the SafeLabs Wi-Fi router works. It connects to your existing Wi-Fi router using an included network cable, and through that uses your existing ISP connection. It does not need any new internet connection at your premises. As soon as you turn it on, you will see an extra Wi-Fi signal with the name SafeLabs, and its password is printed on your box. It is assumed that children will connect to this Wi-Fi instead of your regular home Wi-Fi, which in this video is called HomeNet. You can connect to SafeLabs Wi-Fi using your cell phone, tablet, laptop, or any other device that can connect to Wi-Fi. You can browse any regular website, watch videos, stream TV, check email, talk on Skype, WhatsApp, or use the internet in any other way, and you will notice little to no difference in your experience. Although the SafeLabs router is assuming that you are a child and protecting you in many different ways. To see this happening, open your browser and mention any adult content domain name that you may know. It is likely that the domain name is already in our blacklist, and its access will be blocked, showing the user a portal explaining this. Access will also be blocked if the user clicks on any link to these websites embedded in any other application.